Hey, DIY looking to refresh your kitchen with a stylish new look? From timeless classics to bold modern statements, the right colors and materials can completely transform your space. Today, we're breaking down the most popular kitchen design trends and how you can bring them into your own home. Trend number 1, gray on gray. A timeless favorite that works beautifully in both modern and heritage kitchens. Layering different shades of gray creates depth, especially when paired with textured surfaces like limestone or stone countertops. Finish the look with subtle white accents to keep the space feeling clean, bright, and balanced. Trend number 2, green and timber. This cozy, nature-inspired combination is both bold and calming. Deep green cabinetry pairs perfectly with rich black timber, while warm metals like brass or copper add a touch of elegance. Concrete surfaces or lighter neutral tones help balance the palette and keep the space grounded and inviting. Trend number 3, black kitchens. Striking, dramatic, and undeniably modern. Black kitchens make a strong statement when layered with textured stone, marble, or even mirrored surfaces for added depth. Warm lighting, light window treatments, and textured walls soften the look, turning bold design into a welcoming space. Trend number 4, warm neutrals. Soft, inviting, and effortlessly elegant. Layer creams, off-whites, and nude tones to create a calm and welcoming kitchen environment. Natural timber, travertine stone, and soft metallics like gold or bronze add warmth and subtle luxury, while thoughtful lighting keeps everything balanced. Trend number 5, modern rustic and minimalist white. Modern rustic kitchens bring character through antique timber, handmade tiles, and textured details. Add personality with small pops of color in cabinetry or accessories. For minimalist white kitchens, focus on subtle textures, natural stone, and soft timber accents to keep the design interesting without overpowering the space. These are some of today's most popular kitchen design trends to inspire your next remodel. Which style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more interior design inspiration.